Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kindo English Classes, and in today's video we are going to discuss different ways to say I love you. When we love someone, we usually say I love you. But in English, there are many ways that we can express our love towards whom we love. So let us see what we can say in place of I love you. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and share this video with your friends. So let us begin the class. Different ways to say I love you. I am crazy about you. You are favorite everything. You are my one and only. You are my sunshine. You have my heart. I am deeply attached to you. We fit together like puzzle pieces. You are always there for me. You are my better half. You complete me. You make me feel so alive. You make my life brighter. You mean the world to me. I am addicted to your love. I am totally into you. I am very fond of you. I cherish you. I have a crush on you. I love so much. You are my everything. You have the most beautiful eyes. You mean so much to me. I'm yours. You complete me. I'm in love with you. You are my angel. You are my princess. You are mine. We are perfect for each other. We are soulmates. To learn better English, please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you are watching on Facebook, follow me. Thanks for watching.